Hello everybody, this is MC Recovery. I'm back at that farmer's market that I told y'all about. And I mean, we finna really light it up. Shit, this is my co-worker Nick. He a friend of Dennis Furlan, y'all. Shit, check him out. Dennis Furlan used to play football and shit.
Oh yeah,
shit, So, you know, in the meanwhile, I'm gonna check out the farmer's market and I'm gonna get some of these vegetables over here. So could you hold this for me? Keep an eye on me?
Yes.
And yeah, I am representing the show.
Yeah, you can see that.
So let's go ahead and check this out.
Cameraman there.
Tangelo. They have Tangelo. Something named and it's Sycamore Ranch Hill Ranch. So you know, hey, I need a bag, right? Yeah. Couple of bags. And then we're gonna mix up a hell of a juice or something. What is the name of these?
Those are persimmons.
Persimmons. Get a eye on those persimmons right here. See? So you know I'm gonna mix some of those, and maybe I'll do a Tangelo mix or something. What is these? What is these over here? So this is what they have at the farmer's market. I'm gonna get some of these persimmons. I'm gonna get this one. This one. Get a couple of these persimmons. Oh, that one busted. And we're gonna. They look like tomatoes, don't they?
Yes, they do.
So you know, but they smell like a pear or peach or something. What is these, brother?
This one is guavas.
Guavas.
Right here is the guavas.
What's your name?
Manuel.
Manuel is in the house. I'm just representing myself.
All right, that's good.
Recovery is an inside job. So I want some of these.
This is a Meyer lemon.
Huh?
This is a Meyer lemon right here.
Meyer?
Meyer lemon. Yeah.
Is it sour or sweet?
Sweet.
Oh,
That's
so
more smell that one.
What's the name of it?
Meyer lemon.
Meyer lemon. Ooh, and it smells sweet. So you know this gonna be in the mix too.
Yeah, for the burger.
And then we're gonna look at all the nutritional facts. So the next time y'all see me, thank you. Remember to subscribe, and we're out.
Wait.
Every
Wednesday?
Every Wednesday at what time?
I'm here every Wednesday from 6 to 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock every Wednesday, right
every
over
Wednesday.
Over here by the hospital on 120th and off of Wilmington.
Yeah, I have
by the Martin Luther King Hospital.
All citrus. I have citrus. I have
citrus.
Oh, look at all juices.
Oh, and let's take a look at these juices. That's what I forgot. Check out that juicer now. That's the kind of machine I need.
Look at, I have some juices right here. They have some orange juice right here, orange juice, and they have a new one right here. That's called cara oranges.
Ooh, check that out, y'all.
Right there, look at, and I have some that's right here. That's a tangerine. It's a tangerine right here.
Tangerine, check that out.
Right here, look at this right here, all fresh.
All right, so I'm gonna put that in the chat. So if y'all want to find out the location, the name of the juice, look at that branding. And look at how fresh that's looking over here. Oh, thank you, Manuel.
All right, thank you.
Man, this is right on time, man. I'm talking about it. Great. Wait, and I do believe there's some vitamin C in this too. So it's vitamin C in here, huh? In the Meyer lemon. All right, so it got a lot of nutritional facts with it.
All right.
Vitamin C.
Good.
And this one,
Persimmons.
what do they have, like vitamin C?
Yeah, all of it. A lot of antioxidants, a lot of antibacterial.
See, check that out.
Google it.
I'm just doing a quick little snippet for myself. So it's a lot of antioxidants. I'm gonna Google it. Make sure y'all get the information.
$5.
And I want some guava.
That one, $8.
And we're gonna try guava. So like I said, keep coming back. Program work. Recovery is an inside job. Well, hello everybody. Hold up a moment. Remember to subscribe to the right of the screen. This is MC Recovery. I just cleaned up this container because I had the last bit of this spinach, strawberry, bananas, And what else did I put in there? I think I put a few of the gooseberries, and it came out real liquidy. Now, last week when I made some juice, I had some black kale, and kale had brought a lot of pulp to the top. So when it comes to leafy stuff like kale, sometimes greens don't bring a lot of pulp and stuff to the top. That's just something to keep an eye up on. But I noticed when I use the leafy spinach, it be liquefied. Now we're here today is because by my job on 120th in Wilmington at MLK Hospital, the new MLK Hospital, that's over there. We have a Wednesday farmers market from, I believe it's from like 10 to 2 or 9 to 2 o'clock. And one of the farmers people saw that, I did a video on the section where it was gooseberries, but this time, look, I bought some persimmons, some of the Meyer lemons. I never heard of Meyer lemons, and I always been curious about what is these persimmons. So he had a taste test, and I tried it out. I said, this seemed like it'd be real good for like salads or something. So look, and I try to pick a lot of the firm ones. But also, when I read up on it, it's good for salads, juices, drinks, and things of that nature. And I have some of these guavas. Smell this guava, son. Don't this make you want to bite it? Don't
Yeah,
you?
it smell like the guavas that be outside. That used to be outside.
Be outside, yeah. So we had some guava plants somewhere, but I think ours was green, though.
Ours was smaller.
Smaller, all right. So, let's get this thing started. Can you hand me a couple of bananas real quick? I always like started off with my pistachios. Yeah, so I'm going to put some bananas right at the bottom. See, this is the ripe banana, and this is the ripest banana, because I have the sign over there. So, but I'm looking at this. I may want one banana this time, because, man, I'm really finna put one of these in here. This off there. Let's get this started. And then put this down here so I can get some cutting. Notice I'm wearing gloves, y'all. Yeah, I'm trying. So the next time when I go out to feed, like, me and my son go out to feed the homeless and stuff. I already rinsed this once and rinse it in. Feed the homeless and stuff. This time I'm gonna even do that different. I'm gonna have the stuff, if it's gonna be meals and stuff like spaghetti, yeah, some of the viewers said, man, you should have that pre-packed, and and I really like this part of the spinach, where when you get down to the part where it's almost like the root. Now, the persimmons, wash up some of these. Potato more like a sweet potato. All right. Let me see the best way to cut it. Yeah, so that's how it looks. Whoop. Well, excuse me on that one. I'll pick up that later because I have plenty. I'm putting some persimmons in here. Shouldn't have been playing. That's how I believe they're supposed to be looking. Real firm and stuff like that. So I'm just going to do that. And I'm going to leave the skin on because I believe skin is real good. And I heard something from like Bobby who? Bobby something? That guy I be watching? That Dr. Bobby Price. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, so even though I'm cutting it, he said something, but in relation to what he said, and I remember what Jack Lane, do y'all remember Jack Lane? Jack Lane said, leave the potatoes. He's the first one that I ever heard. My mother used to watch Jack Lane. And I remember when Jack Lane and my mother was watching him, he said something about, leave on the potato skin because it's rich in fiber and all that stuff. So the same thing with these lemons and the Meyer lemon, I'm gonna save some of this for the last. So far I'm looking like this, y'all. Let's put some guava in there. I wonder could we put the whole guava in there. Just take out that little smell. But I ain't gonna do that. So let's wash up a couple of guava. See what we can do here. Look at that guava. Mmm. There, guava, guava. This stuff make you look like you want to eat it now. I ain't liking the way this is looking. Ready? Now you get ready to put some juice in a minute. We always see this stuff in certain drinks, so now we're going to see it in my drink. And then I'm going to put the benefits and stuff down at the bottom. But at least let me look up one. And I better not forget to put up there. I want the floor to get sleepy. Persimmons. Now we gotta get some lemons. Get the lemons ready. It's real sweet. I told my son he might come back later on with a video with the Meyer lemons and the oranges and stuff like that. Do you want to do something like that, MC?
Like what?
What, make a fancy lemonade out of these Meyer lemons and stuff. What this tastes like so far? Look, taste it. Taste it.
I'm trying to taste it.
Let the audience check it out here.
I need to take out the seeds.
What is tasting like?
It tastes a little sweeter. Lemon.
Sweeter and sour, huh? Interesting, huh?
Yeah, you could probably make like some sour lemonade.
No, lemonade is sour, but this here would be like more. So I at least want some of this pulp to be in here to help.
Or you make some candy Meyer lemon.
With the stuff I put it in, because I believe that the lemon has a lot of receded, whatever they say, acid. Oh man, I could have done good by peeling it. See?
Okay, put it in, yeah.
And just drop it in there. Seeds and all. Shit. I think the seeds, and I'm going to do the last guava.
Where are you dropping it?
Do you want some guava?
Where are you dropping it? Oh, you dropping it.
Do you want to eat some guava? How it tastes?
This tastes sour and this tastes
Taste it.
sour.
Sour? Guava? Or you still got the lemon taste in your mouth? That's guava because I had some lemon on my mouth.
It got, yeah, it's like sweeter, but it's the, I know the texture is gonna go good together.
Good. Oh, it's good.
Can you eat the seed?
I'm eating everything. All right, let's get down with the mix and see what color this is gonna come out with. I am thinking about putting some carrots in here, put some beta carotene, because today I went to the doctor, took my physical, and I'm getting ready for a CT scan, and I'm getting ready to get off those cigarettes. And then, the doctor said, hey man, you're getting up in age now, come on. So I'm gonna put some carrots, also some of that beta carotene. This is a boost. I'm just making it, trying to make it as green and orange as possible. This is how I do my carrots. I shred it up and I get it on. Get the job done. Look at that later. this is how it looks. One of these days I'm gonna have a bigger kitchen, and we're gonna be really cracking. Watch. Then I can put a couple of cameras into some sort of focus. And I'm gonna squeeze one of these Meyer lemons as a piece of the recipe. So check it out, MC. I'm gonna squeeze one of these Meyer lemons, okay? Do you see my blender engine?
What?
My engine for the blender.
Right.
Oh, give it here. Oh, no. That's the other one. Well, I said I'm doing the juicy blender.
But look at this.
That's for that one. It's right here.
No, can.
Excuse me for that. So let's get a look at what we done did here. Like I said, we're gonna get some of this alkaline water in here. Let me get the lime in here. Orange juice. A little one of this to help. Stop. So we can get. I want the rest to be the alkaline water. And that's it. Notice I put a little amount. Is y'all ready? And here we go. Ready? You got the video camera ready? Is you watching? Has it been on me? Is I'm still in focus?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
All right, look at that. That looks like some sort of flag, right? Check that out. Woo-wee! Now that's kicking. Baby, baby. Here it is. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I see a lot of the finished stuff. Do you see it? Next time I'm gonna try to make something come out orange. So, let me know, because I'm going to hit some more farmers markets. Check out Miguel over there at, that I met. So these are his fruits at his table, and he has juices also. So y'all will also see that in the video. Until then, remember that recovery is an inside job. But wait, let's do a taste test. Man, yep, and the fires is going crazy out here. Yep, the boy does have his ram stain ready. Man. Do you want to taste the sun?
Okay.
Yeah. Yes or no? Do you want to taste it?
Yes. Let's go.
Yep. Until then, please remember, recovery is a what?
Inside job.
Baby.